Have you ever wondered why this video looks so fast? If you look at the meter, it's not like 200 kilometers per hour, right? It's only like 130 to 140. And so it's the motion blur effect that's making it look fast. So today is your lucky day because I'm going to share with you a simple tutorial. How can you get or how can you achieve this motion blur effect and the best setting for POV. Hey friends, what's up? It's Mr. Horseman here. I'm actually super excited that I finally released this video for you guys because it's been a while since I posted a video, and because I haven't been writing and since it's lockdown and I've been bogged down with a lot of work. So I thought I want to share with you guys this simple tutorial, and yeah, let's get started. Now for this tutorial, you need a GoPro itself and ND filters. You can buy these ND filters online on Shopee or Lazada. It comes in a box like this. The price range between 80 to 100 ringgit. You can get it cheaper at 30 to 40 ringgit per box, but I don't recommend it because I find the quality is not so nice. And so from my experience, I think this price range is quite decent, but it's entirely up to you. And so it has 4 ND filters inside: polarizer, ND8, ND16 and ND32. These numbers represent the intensity of the filters. The higher the number, the darker the filters. So for example, if you're out riding in the sun, you want to put ND32 because you want to block as much light as possible. The idea here is to set the speed the slowest you can. So in this case, it's 1/50. Why 1/50? I'm going to explain to you in details later when we jump into the settings. Alright, so now we've talked about ND filters, and hopefully you get a bit of understanding what ND filters is and what does it do, the numbers, the intensity. And so now we're going to dive into the camera settings, and I'm going to show you the settings in the camera. Okay, so right now we are in my camera settings. You can tap here, that's the first one. Now you can see that I already have my preset here. You can tap on the pencil here on the right side. So in this menu, you can see the first settings, res, FPS. Click there. Res is resolution, FPS is frame rate per second. So in these settings, it doesn't matter if you want to record in 4K or 1080. Commonly, people set it to 1080. But the most important thing is to set your frame rate to 25. Why 25? Because we are in Malaysia, and Malaysia is in the PAL region. For 24, it's for America, Canada, Japan, and some other countries. And that 50, 100, 200, that is for slow motion. So if you want to have a slow motion video, you can set to that. But for this tutorial, you want to create that motion blur effect, set the frame rate to 25. Okay, so we are halfway through. Lens is super view, hyper smooth on. And then we go down to Pro Tune. So as you can see under shutter there, it says auto. Click or tap there. In here, you want to set your speed manually and to 1/50. So just now when I said you have to set the speed to 1/50, this is the reason why, because whenever you set the frame rate to 25, so the speed will be double the frame rate. Okay, so the speed is 1/50. And then that's pretty much it. White balance auto, ISO minimum to 100, ISO max is 400, sharpness medium, color flat, and I think you're good to go. And with that being said, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I do hope that you learned something from this tutorial, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and like and share as well. Click on the notification bell. You know, whenever I post a new video, you'll get notified. And until next time, stay safe guys.